What if I told you that life isn't supposed to feel this hard? That the overwhelm, the exhaustion, the endless to-do lists, they're all optional? That you could wake up tomorrow and choose a simpler, lighter, more joyful way of living? Most people overcomplicate their lives without realizing it. But today, I'm giving you 10 powerful yet stupidly simple strategies to hack your way to an easier life. No fluff, just practical wisdom that works. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step plan to reduce stress, reclaim mental freedom, and make life feel effortless. Let's dive in. 10 life-simplifying strategies. 1. The micro-simplicity mindset. Complexity is just a bunch of simple things stacked together. The key? Micro-simplicity. Instead of thinking, I need to fix my entire life, ask, what's the smallest thing I can do right now to make today easier? Maybe it's deleting 5 old emails, or setting your phone to grayscale to reduce distraction. Tiny wins compound into massive change. 2. Decision energy is your most valuable resource. Ever feel mentally exhausted by 10 a.m.? Blame decision fatigue. Every choice, what to wear, what to eat, drains your mental energy. Solution: automate the trivial. Wear a uniform. Meal prep. Use apps like Freedom to block distractions. Cognitive outsourcing equals more brain power for what matters. 3. The 10-minute anti-overwhelm tactic. When stress hits, set a timer for 10 minutes and ask, what's one thing I can fix right now? Clean a drawer. Reply to 1 email. Action kills anxiety. Present tense living means focusing on the now, not the 50 things on your imaginary future list. 4. Expectation management equals happiness. Disappointment equals reality minus expectations. Lower the bar strategically. Anti-perfectionism is your superpower. Good enough is perfect. Your boss doesn't need a novel. They need 3 bullet points. Your kids don't need Pinterest-worthy lunches. They need you present and happy. 5. Fear inoculation, the 5-second rule. Fear thrives in hesitation. Fear inoculation means exposing yourself to small doses of discomfort daily. Send the email. Make the call. Use Mel Robbins' 5-second rule. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Your brain can't panic if you're already moving. 6. The stop doing list. Productivity isn't about doing more, it's about doing less of what doesn't matter. Write a stop doing list. What habits, people, or tasks drain you? Cut one this week, because simplification is subtraction. 7. Cognitive outsourcing. Let tech do the work. Your brain isn't a hard drive. Use apps for reminders, Google Keep, auto-paying bills, banking apps, blocking distractions, freedom. Cognitive outsourcing equals less mental clutter. 8. The 2-minute rule. If it takes under 2 minutes, just do it now. Hanging your coat, washing the dish, sending the text. Small tasks pile up into chaos. Eliminate the backlog before it exists. 9. Intentional living greater than hustle culture. Busyness is a trap. Effortless intentionality means aligning your day with your values, not society's. Ask yourself, does this task move me toward the life I want? If not, ditch it. 10. The nothing hour. Schedule 1 hour a week to do nothing. No goals, no productivity. Just be. This is mental clarity in action. You'll solve problems effortlessly when you stop forcing solutions. Life doesn't have to be this hard. You get to choose simplicity. Start with one of these tactics today. Maybe it's the 10-minute rule or the stop doing list. Small steps create big change. Which tip are you trying first? Comment below. I read everyone. And if this video helped you, share it with someone who's drowning in overwhelm, because everyone deserves an easier life. Hit subscribe for more practical wisdom. See you in the next one. Keep it simple.